Hello and welcome to my Son Different. Today we're going to be making taco night. And I wanted to make a traditional Taco Tuesday night, even though I usually don't know what day it is. But today I want to make Taco Tuesday. Kind of how I always see people making tacos. And they call it white people taco night. And I want to make one. So I want to start by telling you guys how I'm gonna do it. And so you need a meat, right? So what I wanted to make was salchicha with chorizo in it, and this is smoky smoked sausage by Oscar Mayer. It's hardwood smoked, made with pork. It's 100% pork. And this is chorizo made with soy by Kachik. And that's the meat base. And now for the tortillas, I have chichis tortillas. These are flour street taco size. So they're kind of small, and they're just regular flour tortillas. For the topping, I got this taco ranch mini chop kit. It comes with romaine lettuce, corn chips, carrots, red cabbage, and taco style dressing. And then I got this Colby Jack cheese. It's shredded cheese. I have tomatoes, a tomato and an onion as well. And the seasoning, I have Taco Bell seasoning, the original taco seasoning mix. And of course, I bought the sour cream because you can't have the taco night without sour cream. You can forget everything else, but if you forget sour cream, ain't nobody gonna eat your tacos. I've seen all the videos. And so, first of all, I'm gonna chop up the ingredients, and then I'm gonna fry the meat up in this pan here. You just have to open this meat, and I'll probably just take like 2 out. And I think I'm gonna put some onions in it and some tomatoes. But I wanna make sure to chop them pretty good. Like good sized pieces. So that way you're not like taking little baby bites out of it. So I think I'm gonna make it like you do sausage and onions, just regular schmegular. But I'm gonna add some liquid to it, so that way it's a saucy type of taco and not dry. Well, actually these look too big to fit in the tacos just like that, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to chop them down a little bit more. Let's see if we can get these to a better size. Maybe just like that, because like I don't want them all big and then I have chorizo in it and it's just weird sizes. And then just throw them in as per usual, and then we'll cut this onion. These onions are gonna get cooked down. These are for the pot right now. And I'm just gonna leave them just like whatever. Just a rough chop, it doesn't matter. And then for the tacos, I'll make them different. I'll make them smaller. Oops. Then I'll cut some tomato to put in it as well. And I'll just put a little bit of tomato. And just let it brown up. And then I'll cut some tomato for my tacos. So that looks good. And I'll put that right next to the onion. So at this point, I'll add the seasoning packet and just let it cook down. Maybe I need to open it more. Just like that. And then you add some liquid to it, so that way it makes its own sauce. You can add the chorizo, however much you want. I think I'm just gonna warm up these tortillas in the oven. So I'm just gonna put 3 in the oven. That's 4, my bad. 1, 2, 3. So this goes in the oven just like this. So that looks about done. So we'll take it off the burner. So now we can assemble our tacos. Now that the tortillas are done, we can go ahead and make them. And I like to put the brown side facing up and put the filling inside of that part. There's 1, and there's 2, and then 3. So you want to leave enough room for the vegetables because you don't want to be like picking out, right? So you kind of leave it a little bit full. I mean, a little bit of space. And then you can put your lettuce and tomato on it. So I'll start with the lettuce, and this is cabbage and lettuce. And this is how I would normally eat my tacos. I just grab coleslaw or salad or something fast because it's kind of cost efficient for me. But then I add the tomatoes. And then I like to put some onions on. And I don't know if you guys like onions. I love onions. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put the rest of them on here. And also cheese. I don't know if you guys like cheese on top or what, but we also have these corn chips, and I thought that was really cool, maybe to add, because it comes in that kit, and the kit was only $1, so I think it was really a good find to see these little lunch salads. And you can add as much or as little as you want. And it comes with taco sauce. I actually made one already. Right? I already have one. So I thought, what's two gonna hurt, right? But I just want to make sure I use it fine. So here we go. This one is just a bunch of dressings and sour cream mixed up, so I think this would do really good. That looks good, huh? So that's that, and of course you can add as much cheese as you want. Just like that. And this is how I typically serve tacos. But I mean, I wanted to keep the tradition, but I also wanted to be very red pill about it, because, you know, sometimes you want to save money and you want to be cost efficient, but you also want to be trendy and popular too, and for everybody to like you because you can keep up. And that's exactly what it's about, the life of abundance. So I wish you all, you know, the start of 2026, nothing but happiness and blessings your way. So with much ado, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. My son, different. Bye-bye.